Want to know how to get more jobs on Upwork? Are you tired of struggling to win jobs on Upwork? Well, you're not alone. I've been there, making countless mistakes and feeling like I was wasting my time. But fear not. In this video, I'm here to help you avoid the pitfalls and give you 5 proven tips that will skyrocket your success on Upwork. Get ready to break through and start winning more Upwork jobs consistently. But before we dive into the tips, let me share a little secret with you. Success on Upwork isn't just about being the smartest or most talented. It's about your work ethic, consistency, discipline, and patience. I'm living proof of that. As a top-rated seller on Upwork, I've been able to acquire large-paying jobs and clients who keep coming back again and again. And guess what? It's all because of my dedication and drive, and a few tricks I've learned along the way that I'll share with you in my voiceover masterclass course, From Newbie to Top-Rated Seller. You can find the link in the description. If you're ready to break free from the confines of the corporate work environment, earn income on your own terms, and establish a thriving freelance business in the voiceover industry, Upwork is the platform that can pave the way for your success. However, before embarking on your Upwork journey, let's explore the game-changing tips that will transform your voiceover career on this platform. 1. Optimize your profile. Optimize your Upwork profile for search engine optimization. While Upwork keeps its algorithm under wraps, you can still improve your chances of being noticed. Craft a compelling profile. Use relevant keywords and showcase your expertise. A well-optimized profile increases your visibility and attracts clients who are searching for your specific skills. 2. Learn from the best. Study the profiles of high-earning, successful freelancers. These freelancers have cracked the code to Upwork success, and you can gain inspiration from their strategies. But here's the catch. Never copy their profiles. Your goal is to stand out and showcase your unique value. So take inspiration, but let your own brilliance shine through. 3. Be insanely active. The highest-earning freelancers rarely have to search for jobs because they're flooded with long-term work and client invites. But until you reach that point, you need to hustle. Utilize advanced searches to find new job postings that align perfectly with your skills and abilities. Dedicate focused time to Upwork and eliminate distractions. Remember, the more effort you put in, the more you'll get out of it. 4. Non-Upwork testimonials. Boost your profile with non-Upwork client testimonials. When clients visit your profile, they want to see why they should trust you. And what better way to build trust than showcasing testimonials from clients you've worked with outside of Upwork? It's simple. Just reach out to people you've collaborated with in the past and ask them to write a short review for your testimonial section. Trust me, these testimonials will work wonders in improving the quality of your work and winning over clients. 5. Writing winning proposals. If you want to increase your chances of winning jobs on Upwork, you've got to create a proposal that really grabs attention and keep it short and sweet, around 200 words or less. Think of your proposal as your chance to wow the client and convince them that you're the perfect fit for the job. First things first, always personalize your proposal. Address the client by their name and mention specific details from their job posting. This shows them that you've carefully read their requirements and you're genuinely interested in their project. Next, let your relevant experience and skills shine. Explain why you're the right person for the job and how your expertise will benefit the client. Don't forget to include samples of your previous work to show off what you can do and prove your skills. In addition, make sure to demonstrate that you understand the client's needs. Offer a unique solution or approach to the project that shows you've really thought it through and are ready to deliver outstanding results. Lastly, wrap up your proposal with a strong call to action. Encourage the client to take the next step, like setting up a video call or asking for more information. This nudges the client to initiate contact and keeps the conversation moving forward. Remember, being personal, showcasing your skills, understanding the client's needs, and giving a clear call to action are the keys to standing out and winning those Upwork jobs. So let's wrap it up. If you want to score those winning jobs on Upwork and build a booming voiceover business, it's all about strategy, preparation, and hard work. Here are 5 proven tips that can make a real difference. Showcasing non-Upwork client testimonials, staying active on the platform, finding inspiration from successful freelancers, optimizing your profile, and crafting compelling proposals. Following these tips will greatly increase your chances of success. Now, here's the exciting part. Take action right away and start implementing these tips to fast-track your voiceover freelancing journey. Don't miss out on this opportunity to propel yourself towards success. Oh, and before I forget, if you're hungry for more knowledge and resources on growing your voiceover business on Upwork, follow the link somewhere around this video for the Upwork course From Newbie to Top-Rated Seller. Remember, your dreams of Upwork success are well within reach. So why wait any longer? Begin your exciting journey to voiceover greatness on Upwork today. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss any valuable information. We've got your back.